Hello students, this is the 26th part of permutations and combinations. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on combinations. So today's first problem is 4nc2n by 2ncn equal to something. So I want to take LHS part first. That is 4nc2n by 2n cn according to the formula 4n factorial by 4n minus 2n, that is 2n factorial into 2n factorial by 2n factorial by 2n minus n factorial into n factorial. So this is same as 4n factorial by 2n factorial cube, okay, into n factorial square. So this is LHS. Again I want to write, students. So what is LHS? I will write again. What you got I will write 4n factorial into n factorial square by, do one thing student, as well you write 2n factorial, another is 2n factorial square. Okay, now listen students, this 4n can written as 4n into 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 2 into so on 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. As it is you write n factorial square, don't disturb, by this 2n factorial as it is, don't disturb. Yeah, now this can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into so on 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 square. Students, what I am doing here, so 4n into 4n minus 2 into 4n minus 4 into, okay, yeah, so on, yeah, 4 into 2. I am grouping terms, man. So what are the remaining? 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 3 to so on 3 into 1 into n factorial square by, yeah, this 2n factorial as it is. So here also inside then also I can write 2n into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 4 into so on 4 into 2. Okay, so I want to use another bracket, I will use another color for that, into, yeah, what are the remaining? 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into 3 into 1, okay, square. Okay friends, yeah. So here from each term I can take 2 common, here 1 2, here 1 2, here 1 2, here 1 2, here 1 2. So actually 2n terms are there here, 2n terms, actually 4n terms before that, here 2n terms, here 2n terms. So these are 2n terms, these are also 2n terms. Okay, so from each term 2 is taken common, means what up 2 into 2 into 2n power 10, 2 power 2n into 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 so on 2 into 1. So this is one bracket, yeah, remaining thing you as it is write, friends, that is 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 3 into dot 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 3 into 1 as it is into n factorial square divided by, okay, what is that? You write as it is 2n factorial. So here you can take 2 common. Actually here n terms nana, here n terms. Here taken 2 common means 2 power n into n into, yeah, what is that, n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, 2 into 1, okay, square into, you write as it is this one, 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into so on, 3 into 1 square. Okay students, now problem is completing. Yeah, so this is 2 power 2n into, this is 2n factorial into, yeah, that is as it is, you write, that is 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 3 into so on, 3 into 1 into n factorial whole square as it is. Students, next thing is, yeah, this 2n factorial as it is, so 2 power 2n, that one, into this n factorial square, the remaining thing as it is was 1 into 3 into 5 into dot dot 2n minus 1 square. Now some cancellations, 2n factorial, 2 power n, 2 power n factorial square, n factorial square. So what is left with us, I will write 1 into 3 into 5 into so on, 4n minus 1 by 1 into 3 into 5 into so on, 2n minus 1 square. So this is nothing but RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Next problem, friends. A set has 12 elements. A set n of A equal to 12. Just like A having 12 elements, assume that all are different, say x1, x2, so on, xn, x12. So now we want having 4 elements, at least 3 elements, at most 3 elements. A set have 12 elements, then find number of subsets. Number of subsets having 4 elements. How many subsets we will create with having 4 elements? Just from this 12 we want choose 4 to get first answer. 12 C 4 subsets for first problem. Second one is at least 3. At least 3 elements means 12C3 plus 12C4 plus 12C5 so on 12C12. These many sets contain at least 3 elements. Okay, you people can simplify that. How to simplify I will show you. Actually in front of that we want 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2. Okay, this should, then that is another 2 power 12. So now what I can say, this is nothing but 2 power 12 minus this 1 minus 12 minus 12C2. 12C2 means 12 by 11 into 1 into 2 to 6 are 66. So 66, 12, 13 I can say 9, 79 should subtract. 2 power 12 minus 79 is the answer for second problem. Next one is at most 3. 3 at most 3 means what the meaning of that? The number of subsets having 3 or lesser than 3 elements. Okay, so what I can say answer for third problem, 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2 plus 12C3. So this is 1, this is 12, 12C2, 11 by 1 into 2, 6 are 66 plus 12C3, 12 into 11 into 10 by 6, 6 1 is 6 2 0, 22 into 10, 220. Yeah, students, 66, 76, 76, 77, 79. 79 what I can say, 9, 9, 2. So totally 299 such subsets exist. Yeah, students, next question is very interesting question. Important model. listen students, a city has m parallel roads running east west and n parallel roads running north south. How many shortest possible routes are possible to go from one corner of the city to its diagonally opposite to corner? So first of all, I want to explain the meaning, students. For example, these are the two roads from east to west. These are the two roads, and assume that there are two roads from north to south. What the question is saying, that a person want to travel from this corner to this corner or this corner to this corner. How many different ways he can travel so that each distance should be minimum? So what I can say, one of the way is this one, red color, one of the way. Second way is yellow color. You want to travel this corner to this corner, you have only two chances. What are those two chances I want right here? First, east of that north, east north. Second chance is northeast, north first, next east. Okay, what is the answer for this problem? 2. When two roads are running from east to west and two roads running from north to south. Okay, so I want to use another example now. For example, 3 roads are running from east to west, 3 roads, and 2 roads are running from north to south. Okay, again a person want to travel from this corner to this corner. How many different ways he can travel so that his distance should be minimum? So one of the way is this one, this and this. One of the way, this and this. What? East and to north. East, north, north I can say. East, north, north. One unit. Okay. So another way also you can travel this and this. What is that? North, northeast. North, northeast. Okay. Or you can travel in this way. What happened? North, east, north. North, east, north. Okay. Or he can travel in this way also. What I can say? So we can't say this is the distance. This becomes more, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 1, 2, 3 units. If you travel in this way, so the distance become more. Means I can't take that as the answer for the problem. The distance should be minimum, such a way that it should travel. Okay. So what happened? To north, one east. To north, one east. Observe what happened. Among all the arrangements, there are 2 norths and 1 east. 2 norths and 1 east. That should identify. 2 norths and 1 east. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? We have 3 blank places. Okay. You want to fill these 3 blank places by 3 letters with 1 E and 2 N's. Okay. Or another words I can say that. How many ways you can? 3 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So 6 by 2 means what is 3? 3 different ways you can arrange. So what is my answer? He can travel in 3 different ways so that distance becomes minimum. Or in other words, what I can say, to fill these 3 blanks, we need to choose 2 ends, 3C2, that is 3. So this is the answer or this is the answer. 2 ways I can say the answer. Filling these 3 blanks by using this ENN. How many ways you can fill in? 3 factorial by 2 factorial, because 2 n's are same. That is answer is 3. Or in other words, just selecting 2 n's from these 3. What I can say? 3C2. So 3. So what I can say? He can travel in 3 different ways. So I want to increase the number of routes, Observe students. This is one of the interesting problem on this one. Listen, all of you. So I want to use this color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Another color. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is the meaning of that? 1, 2, 3. 4 routes are running for east to west. and north to south three roads. A person will travel from this corner to this corner. How many different ways he can travel? So that his distance should be minimum. So one of my answer is this. One of my answer is this. He can travel in this way. What I can say? East, north, north, north. I will write here. East, north, north, north. Okay. One of the way. So another way is he can travel in this way. I will choose another color for that. See, he can travel like this, like this, like this, like this. So what happened? First north, next east, next north, next east, next north. Okay, this is one of the way. Okay, so he can travel in this way, in this way also. So two norths, north, north, next two east, one north. These are the possible ways that he can travel. So this corner to this corner. Students, observe now what happened here. All arrangement we have 3 ends. Observe 3 ends. 3 ends. All 3 ends here. 3 ends. And how many are there roots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just like here 2 blacks and here 3 blacks. Total 5 blacks. So what happened, Nana? Just we want fill these 5 in 5 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that there are 3 n's and 3 e's. How many you can fill, Nana? 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. What is that, Nana? 120 by 2 into 6. So 2 ones are 2 60s are 10. So what I can say? 10 different ways he can travel from this corner to this corner, so that his distance is minimum. Okay, students, first of all, what I wrote here, 2 easts and 3 norths always. So another words I can say that just I want fill these blanks by using these 5. Among the 5, 2 easts and 3 ends are there. Another words I can say that selecting 3 ends from this 5. So 5C3 ways. This 5C3 and the same, Nana. So what is the value of 5C3? 5C2. What is the value of 5C2? 10 only. So directly what I can say, just selecting these 3 ends for these 5 blanks. How many ways you can select means? I can say 5C3. Okay. Now I want generalize the concept. How many routes running from east to west? How many roads are running from east to west? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 north blacks. 4 roads are running, no? How many norths we are getting here? 4 minus 1. Sorry. How many roads? Okay. 4 roads. 4 minus 1 north blacks. How many roads running from north to south? 3. 3 means what happened? 2 east. Means 3 minus 1 east blacks. 2 east blacks, 3 north blacks. So just I want fill into 5 places. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just now what I can say, EENNN or NENEN, NNEEN, like that. What is the meaning of that? Just filling all these 5 letters in these 5 blanks. How many ways you can fill? Those many roots. 5 letters, 5 blanks, 5 factorial. But 2 e's, 2 n. That's why 2 factorial by 3 factorial. So what I will get? 10. Or another words I can say that. For I want select 3 n's to fill these blanks. That's why 5 are there. I want select 3. 5C3 ways I can select. So 5C3 or 5C2, that also 10. Now I want generalize the answer. Listen, students. Yeah, listen all of you. There are one, that is not good, wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, so on this mth root I will write 1, 2, 3, so on m. Clearly, m parallel roads running east to west. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, so on n. This is n roads. So 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay, n parallel roads running north to south. How many shortest possible routes are possible to go from one corner of the city to its diagonally opposite corner? Means a person want travel from this corner to this corner. Okay, one of the way. See, one of the way is this is one of the way. How many east blocks he traveled on here? How many roads? N roads means n minus 1 east blocks here. N minus 1 east blocks. Okay. So m roads, no? Here m roads means m minus 1 north blocks. M minus 1 north blocks. Okay. So how many? Just I explain. No? How many empty spaces you want? This m minus 1 and n minus 1 addition. So I will show you, students, in previous one. This is here 1, here 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Sorry, here 2, here 1. Sorry, 2 plus 1, 3. In this example, here 1, 2, 3 here. So 2 plus 3, 5. Like that, what I can say here in this one. So blank places are m minus 1 plus n minus 1. That is m plus n minus 1 blank places are there. Now I want fill these m plus n minus 1 blank with these n minus 1 e's and m minus 1 nots. How many ways I can say? One of the method I will write, one of the way what I can say, m plus n minus 2 factorial by n minus 1 factorial into m minus 1 factorial. So this is the answer. These many roots possible, Nana. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. Or another words I can say that. So north blocks I want select. How many north blocks are there? M minus 1 north blocks are there. So from this I want select m minus 1 north block. Or another words what I can say, or my answer is m plus n minus 2 c m minus 1. So this is the answer for the problem. These many routes will possible so that the person can travel from one corner to another corner. I hope you people understood. Problem: a train going from Lucknow to Mumbai stops at 7 intermediate stations. 5 persons enter the train during the journey with 5 different tickets of the same class. How many different set of tickets they could have had? So I will explain the problem, Nana. For example, this Lucknow station, Mumbai station. Between these two stations we have 7 stations: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Okay. So according to the question, the passenger can travel from one station to another station. Between this means they can start at S1. Okay, they can start S1. First of all, I want to find possible ticket combinations. Observe, this is the ticket. On this ticket we can print as S1, S2. What is the meaning of S1, S2? The person can travel from station S1 to S2 only. Okay, train is traveling from Lucknow to Mumbai, no? So train is not written, just Lucknow to Mumbai. So that's why what I can say, on one ticket they can print S1, S2. Means the person can travel from S1 to S2. Another ticket we can print S1, S3. So another ticket we can break S1 and S4, like that, so on, S7 and M also, last one, S1, S7. What is the meaning of that? Now what I am finding, possible combination tickets. So what are S1, and here how many possibilities are there? Here I can add S2, S3, S4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibilities are there. Means on a ticket S1 to what? 7 possibilities. Next another ticket you will start with S2 nana. S2 to S3, S2 to S4, S2 to S5, S2 to S6, S7 and M I can say. How many possibilities? 6 possibilities. So on another ticket they can print S3 and S4 and S3 and S5, S3 like that, 5 possibilities, 4 possibilities, 2 possibilities, last 1 possibility. What is that 1 possibility means? S7 and M, S7 and M. So the possible tickets I will write. Number of possible tickets equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 up to 7, sum of first 7 natural numbers, 7 into 7 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 28. Okay, so how many members are traveling, Nana? 5 members. What we want to do? We want just to select 5 tickets from 28. So that is the answer for the problem. Okay, now 28 possible tickets they can print, Nana. So from these 28 possible tickets we want to select any 5 of them to these 5 members can travel from one station to another station. So what I can say, the possible tickets that they could have equal to 28C5. Okay, the number of set of tickets they could have had equal to 28C5. That's all. That's the answer. But given answer is in not in that form, means that we need to simplify it. 28 into 27 into 26 into 25 into 24, 1, 2, 3, okay, by 5 factorial means 120. 12 tens are, 12 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are 5. So what I can say, 28 into 27 into 26 into 5. So you people should complete it. I think here 5 and even number, no, it end with 0. So this is not right answer. This is not right answer. I think answer may be A and D and cross check. So after multiplying, okay, I think you will get this 98,280. Okay, I can say this is the answer to the problem. Okay, students, our next question. In how many ways can a mixed double game can be arranged from amongst 8 married couples if no husband and wife play in the same game? So first of all, we should know the meaning of this word mixed double game. For example, assume that this is tennis. There are 2 types, Nana, single and double game. Single game is here 1 person and this side also 1 person. Okay, students. So in what happened to double in double game is here 2 persons and here 2 persons. They can play game. Okay, sometimes these are husband and wife. These are husband and his own wife. In this way they can play the game. But according to our problem, can be arranged from amongst 8 married couples if no husband and wife play in the same game. So in this game, this girl can't participate and this girl also can't participate. If these 2 boys are participating in the game, these 2 girls can't participate in the same game. That is the condition. That is the condition. Okay. Okay. For example, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. These are the couples. These are the couples. So how many x4 like that, x8 and y8. These are the couples. They want a play game. Here x1. So I have took here x2. So what according to our game, here you can't take y1. Here also you can't take y1. Mixed doubles means generally in mixed doubles, here you can take y1, here you can take y2. But according to this problem, what problem saying that no husband and wife play in the same game. So here I can't use y1, y2, I can use y3, and here I can use y8. This is one of the possible game. Such a way that we want to find the number of games they can play. Okay, students, listen. Number of couples. 8 means 8 pairs actually, total 16 members. Okay, what I can say, 8 husband and 8 wives will be. Just I want to write like that. First of all, what you want? You want to select 2 men players. First, we need to select two men players. From 8. This can be happen in 8C2 ways. Okay, to play this game, okay, 2 men are selected. Now here one woman you want, here one woman you want. But what is the thing? From this 8 you want, you can't select 2. What are those 2, Nana? So this person's wife and this person's wife involved. That's why from this 8 I can't select 2. From those 8 I can select 6. From that 6 I can select 2. More 2 lady players you want, those can be selected from 6 only. We want to remove 2 women players from this 8. Those are the wives of these 2 persons. Okay. Yeah, I want to write. Next, 2 women players can be selected from 8 minus 2. This can be done in 6C2 ways. Now I want to write total ways. That is equal to what happened, 8C2 into 6C2. 8C2 into 6C2. So students, what happened, total ways is 8C2 to 6C2. From this take one arrangement. I will show you one of the arrangements. Here AB, here CD. This is, these 2 are gents, these 2 are lady. So A, B is one team and CD is another team. So by using this I can make one more arrangement. No? One more arrangement. What is that? Here A here only, C here only. But they can change their places. No? Here D and here B. So A and D one team and C and B another team. What is the meaning of that? From this 8C2 to 6C2, I selected one possibility. That possibility giving another arrangement. So each one giving 2 arrangements. That's why total number of games is 6C2 into 8C2 into 2. Okay. Total number of possible games. Equal to 8C2 into 6C2 into 2. Now I want to simplify this. 8C2, 8 into 7 by 1 into 2, 28. 6C2, 15 into 2, that is 28 into 30. 28 3s are 24, 3 to the 6, 7, 840. I can say 840 arrangements exist. 840. So my answer is this.